In today's episode, we're finally gonna see the car on track. But before we see this, we have to go back where we finished off the last episode, and this is the car getting a new livery. We are on the way to Blackfish Graphics to check out our Golf and pick it actually up, because it's there for the final step, the wrapping. We have seen the design on paper, but we're actually really excited to see it in live. We want to see how it looks on the car and how it works. It's a really cool design. It's a big change from what we had on the cars before. You might have noticed that this is not a racetrack. We are here at the Summer Breeze event at Simon Motorsport. Let's have a quick look around. And the reason why we are here is we want to share the full journey of this car with you. We want to show you the car, we want to answer your questions and to share the experience with as many people possible. This is also the reason why the car went together with BBS to the Wörthersee. You should actually check out the BBS YouTube channel and watch their video. Also earlier this year, we took the car together with our partner GTI to the Grip Cars and Coffee event at our home place, the Nürburgring. Up until now, the car has been to some car shows and tuning events, but it isn't a show car, it's actually a track car. But what makes the difference between a show car and a track car, since they're also sharing similar parts? It is the setup, the adjustment and the fine-tuning. This is also the reason why we have our friend, race driver and instructor Gabriele Piana taking the car for a ride to give us some feedback. Let's jump to the onboard footage. But what do we mean when we say fine-tuning and adjustment? It's not just going some clicks up or down with the dumping of our coilover suspension. It's also trying different wheels, 18 or 19s, trying different offsets, even try different spin rates, or change the alignment to make it handle completely different. And this is actually the most interesting part of our journey and makes the big difference between the track car and the show car. We have some big changes coming in the future, so stay tuned for the next episode.